My name is Gabriel Sosa and this is TocToc Arepas. So if you don't know what an arepa is, it's pretty much the Latin American version of a grilled cheese. It's cornbread, cheese, cornbread. What we do here is open it up and stuff it with all kinds of meats and veggies that you can think of. We have made countless amounts of arepas in the last 6 years with these Blackstones, and they have truly withstood the test of time. They're so reliable. So I love all types of arepas. My favorite one by far is the chorizo, egg and avocado. It comes with a Mexican style chorizo, which is a little bit spicy, fried egg on top, sauteed peppers, onions, tomato, cheese, and a sauce of your choice. And honestly, that combination, it's just out of this world. I can have hundreds of them. If you guys want to check us out and eat our arepas, we're in South Florida, all over the place. Our social media is at TocToc Arepas, both in Facebook and Instagram, or you can find us in our site at www.toctocarepas.com. We love Blackstone Griddles!